Mr. Speaker, I think it's a really an incomplete question, Mr. Speaker. River diversion. Mr. Speaker, wait, I'll explain. But Mr. Speaker, which river? Mr. Speaker, if you pick up, Mr. Speaker, if you pick up the budget estimate, you will never find a specific program for river diversion, Mr. Speaker. Let me explain, Mr. Speaker. The river diversion channels of floodways are man-made channels to provide an alternative road for excess water from natural rivers to discharge to the nearest outlet, either to another river or to the sea, or to straighten up the river, Mr. Speaker. And diversion channels mitigate the impact of flood and downstream of diversion point as well as upstream of the diversion point. So, Mr. Speaker, we can do it upstream near the watershed, so catchment area. We can do it downstream. Normally, Mr. Speaker, diversion channels are built upstream of national channels around cities and towns to mitigate the effect of flooding. Mr. Speaker, the first JICA study on watershed management and flood control for the 4 major rivers in Biti level, which was conducted in 1996 to 98 over a period of 2 years, that study proposed the diversion channel for the Nedi River. The Nedi River diversion point was located upstream of Sonaka village, parallel along the Enamanu Road to Neni Bay. Hotels, apartments, residential villages had been constructed along the Enamanu Road, where the JICA had actually proposed for diversion channel alignment. Mr. Speaker, due to the rapid development in Nendi urban area and extreme flooding events of 2012, JICA study team revised the 1998 study for Nendi watershed and prepared long-term master plan for flood mitigation program with priority projects such as river widening, detention ponds, construction of dikes and downstream river dredging. So, Mr. Speaker, the diversion channel proposed is no longer effective as it was proposed in the first study by JICA. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Waterways has been constructing flood mitigating dams in any watershed and a strategy for mitigating flood. 2 dams are in the Nawaka subcatchment and 2 dams in the Namosi subcatchment. These are retention dams. Upstream, Mr. Speaker, the primary objective of the retention dam is to, when there is an additional volume of water coming down the waterway, these dams will retain that water and then release it slowly, Mr. Speaker, to smooth off the flow of water in the waterway downstream. Mr. Speaker, the 5th dam in Namosi River will commence soon. We've done all the construction, the initial design work, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Waterways will be outsourcing river dredging works for the Singotoka River and Penang River soon as tenders are being awarded. The Nabua River bank erosion protection works for the Unibao village will be outsourced soon as tenders are being sorted out. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry is planning flood mitigation project for the next financial year for the following rivers: the Singotoka River dredging phase, Nambasa River dredging, which is ongoing, Mr. Speaker. Over the last month, the dredger has been pulled out of the water. There's a little bit of mechanical work needs to be done. Once it's done, we're looking at repairing the dredger in 2 weeks' time. It's a 40-year-old dredger, Mr. Speaker. And similarly, the Nusuri River dredger as well is under repair work. So, to the Rewa River and its tributaries will be dredged with the dredger that we have. Both these dredgers are around 40 years old, Mr. Speaker. We have got plans to clean up and dredge the Nasisivia River, Mr. Speaker. That's the river on the edge of Tavua town. We are in the process of cleaning up the Penang River and widening it, as well as there will be a realignment of the river. Nakelo Bank protection, that's the project on our books for next financial year. Deumba River mouth dredging, Waizoko River mouth dredging, Neni River maintenance and dredging, Nandakuni Bank Protection, the Wandini River, the Mataningara Bank Protection, the Bar River, the Nawangarua Bank Protection, the Bar River, Namara Village Bank Protection, the Lambasa River, Savu Village Bank Protection, the Wandina River, Seria Village, Wanimala River, Waniwanga Village, the Wandina River, and Wanimbuabua River Bank Protection in Wanindui Village, because these are some of the rivers that we have in our books for next financial year. Thank you.